Hey guys, so the year is drawing to an end and Honor has shown no signs of slowing down its smartphone production. The Honor 10 Lite is Honor's latest budget offering and it's slated to be released early next month. In terms of design, the Honor 10 Lite sports a simple yet sleek design. The front display features a gradient curving around the edges and the chin is relatively thin, giving you that edge-to-edge near bezel-less look. And yes, the 6.21-inch Full HD Plus display of the Honor 10 Lite does have a notch, but it's the more subtle teardrop-sized notch with a 24-megapixel front-facing camera fitted within it. Compared to other notches, this notch design obstructs less of the notification bar, and you can still hide it via the onboard software if it really annoys you. While the gradient blue back panel of the phone looks pretty nice, unfortunately it's a dust and fingerprint magnet. Within a couple of minutes of holding the phone, you can clearly see the imprints that are made, and it's even worse when dust settles easily on the phone as well. So regarding its hardware, the Honor 10 Lite will reportedly come with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage, but the model provided to us only has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. So this could be one of the variants that Honor will be bringing into the country, though the brand has yet to confirm this. So moving on, the phone's 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel main camera isn't really anything new and performs just as one would expect from a mid-range camera. Daytime photography yields good results with or without the assistance of the phone's AI camera. In our brief experience with the Honor 10 Lite, there was hardly any shutter lag while taking photos. This fluidity also extends towards the phone's UI performance as well. The Honor 10 Lite is a formidable contender in the mid-range market, and the only thing up in the air right now really is the phone's local pricing. But they will all change come January 8th next year, which really isn't that far away. Stay tuned to louder.net so you don't miss any updates. Till then, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!